Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. Our video today deals with the error unable to find Xender folder on my iPhone file manager. Let us see how to fix this issue. The very first step is that you need to restart the phone. For restarting your iPhone, you need to press the volume up button simultaneously with the power on off button. When a slider appears, just slide to turn off your phone and after a few minutes restart your phone. The next step is to check that your software is updated and your phone is working on the recent iOS version. For this, go to Settings, click on General, then click on Software Update. A recent update would clear all the bugs and fixes the glitches in the software. Next is to reinstall the Xender app. For this, you need to go to the App Store and then search in for Xender. If there are any recent availables present, you can just update your app and it would work fine. Then the last step is to reset your settings. For this, go to settings, tap on general and then scroll down to the very end to transfer or reset iPhone. In this, tap on reset and reset all the settings. It would not delete any of your data but just reset the settings of your phone. Now you can check the file manager and find the Xender app working properly. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.